Since centuries, acupuncture has been the cornerstone for holistic healing. And today, at Balaji Nature Cure Wellness Center, we delve into this treatment to understand what this ancient treatment is all about.
Our commitment to your well-being starts with precision and purity. Every needle is sterilized to the highest standards.
Acupuncture is just not pricking, it's more than that. Acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medicine which works on the physiology, or we can say which works on the principle of pricking the channels or the meridians for the free flow of qi. Qi is a Chinese term for energy, or we can say the Indian term as prana. So by acupuncture, when we prick a specific meridian, a specific point, it leads to the free flow of qi, or we can say free flow of prana, which is very much important for certain disorders or in treating many kind of diseases. So now we are going to prick the patient, and you can see how we are going to do this and how it will make the patient feel. Are you comfortable, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start by sanitizing, or we can just see by cleaning the surface or the area we want to prick. We'll ask the patient to relax. Just breathe in and breathe out normally, ma'am. You comfortable?
Yes.
Are you scared of needles?
Not really.
Okay, so let me just show you. This is a 1-2 needle, right? So this is totally sterile. Now I'm going to open this. This is a very thin needle. So this I'm going to prick, and it will just feel like a sting, bee sting, right?
Okay.
You have to just inhale and exhale. Just take a deep breath. Now relax. You're feeling some heaviness on this area?
Yes, a little.
A little bit.
Yeah.
So we can use two different methods for stimulation. One is by manually, which we can just do by tapping the shaft of the needle. So we'll just tap for 10 times and then we'll stop, and we'll ask the patient for any kind of numbness or heaviness on that area. Now second method for stimulation is using a electro stimulator, or we can say it as electroacupuncture. So this is the device we use for electro stimulation, or we can say electric stimulation of the acupuncture. So here it has different channels and different frequencies we can set accordingly. This is totally decided by the acupuncturist or the doctor who is pricking. So now here we can set the timer as per the required condition of the patient, and we can set the intensity as well. I am going to set the intensity and the time, and the channel through which we'll connect, it is known as electrodes. So here I have 2 electrodes. I'm going to show you that. So basically we have a wire like this, in which this has 2 ends. One is for the connection with the machine, another one is for which will be getting connected with the needle. We have 2 electrodes, or we can say a negative or a positive. The red is basically the positive one, and the black one is the negative. So you can see we have pricked only one point. Now I am going to prick another point in the same channel so that we can give stimulation. I am going to prick one more needle for you, ma'am.
Okay.
So just keep breathing. Now as I mentioned earlier, we have to again surface, we have to clean the surface again. So next I am going to take the point at the elbow. So again you have to hold the patient's hand. We'll hold the patient's hand comfortably, and we'll ask the patient to breathe in, hold your breath, breathe in, relax. We are done. Okay, now place the arm comfortably. You okay? Any
Yeah.
pain?
No.
Light heaviness you're feeling?
Light heaviness.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the indication that your patient's meridians, or we can say the flow of energy, will be corrected by the points. So this, now you can say I have pricked 2 points. Now I am going to connect the electrodes. We'll connect the electrode on the shaft of the needle. And then the other end with the channel. Now I'll set the timer and ask the patient for the intensity which can be tolerable by the patient. So ma'am, I'm going to increase gradually. Once
Okay.
you are okay, you can tell me.
Okay.
So when your patient feels comfortable with the stimulation, you can stop it. So now the patient is in a very comfortable posture, and we'll ask the patient to relax for the minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. You can relax.
Experience a profound sense of relaxation as acupuncture restores your body's equilibrium. Let go of stress, find relief from pain, and awaken your inner vitality.
So after 15 minutes of this stimulation, the machine itself will give indication after the timer is completed. So at that time we can stop this stimulation. First we have to decrease the intensity. Now I am going to remove the electrodes. You can say my patient is totally comfortable. Now after removing the electrodes, I am going to remove the needles which I have pricked. Again I will be using a very sterile method to do that. Breathe out. Again breathe in, breathe out. We are done. Okay. Keep breathing normally. Now we have to hold the patient's hand again gently. We have to give massage in a clockwise direction in case patient is feeling some kind of pain over the area. Now ma'am, you can turn towards your right, comfortably turn and easily get up.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Shipra. It was a wonderful experience with you today, and I really had my first experience in acupuncture, and I'm going to come back again.
Great. You felt any pain?
None, but yeah, I could feel the stimulation.
Yes. So you can try acupuncture for many other conditions. Why? Because usually it is thought as a painful treatment, but as you have experienced by yourself, it's
Right.
none of that, right? It's just a prick, or we can say a sting kind of pain.
Right.
So we can definitely go for acupuncture for any other
Definitely.
issues.
It was very comfortable. Thank you so much.
Okay, take care.
Discover the magic of acupuncture at Balaji Natricure Wellness Center. Book your appointment today and embark on a journey to holistic well-being.